Now with KPRC2's Jonathan Martinez along Highway 249.
Jonathan, you've been across the Houston area tonight. I just saw an uprooted tree. What other kind of damage are you seeing?
Yeah, you know, that's what we pretty much saw across the area. Right now, as you mentioned, we were heading up 249 in the Tomball area. The rain has finally let up, but as you mentioned earlier tonight, that rain was coming down at a pretty good clip. With it came down some trees and also some hails, causing quite a bit of damage out there. A strong line of storms leaving quite the mess and made for scary moments for some in New Caney. That's where a tree fell onto a house, injuring the homeowner and briefly trapping him before he could make it out.
We were standing at the door and the high winds, rain, everything else. I had the door open watching them waiting, and next thing you know is the house came down on top of it.
Also in New Caney, pea-sized hail dropped across the area with residents left taking cover as the storm moved through. It was a similar scene in the Kingwood area where hail and heavy rain also made for a mess through the night. And in Jersey Village, in addition to that heavy rain, we also saw lots of lightning for hours. Also plenty of brake lights along with hazard lights for those who are out on the roads.
Oh my God, it was terrible. It was like just suddenly, just downpour.
And back out here live again, we are nearing the Tomball area, and as Frank was mentioning earlier, that rain is starting to pick up, at least in this specific area. Although it has let up in other areas, there may still be some slick spots out there on the roadway. Do use caution if you have to get out on the roadways. For now, we are reporting live. I'm Jonathan Martinez, KPRC 2 News.
Thank you, Jonathan. Do keep track of all this rain by downloading our free weather app. You can get live radar, the latest forecast, and you can even upload your weather photos on Click 2 Pins. To download it, just search KPRC in your app store today.